Wagamamas, to be fair. Yeah, we'll have it built in an hour.
We've been working with Ian for a really long time.
Stu was just so excited to get it going, and we've done it together.
So my name is Lee Johnston, and my role in TeamRST is...
So it says the person beside you has to pour the water over you.
No, it doesn't.
Sounds savage, doesn't it? We've come to Japan.
Off.
Yeah.
You come to Japan.
Yeah, please, the consider for change.
Wishing you out on your bike, Lee.
Thank you for keeping me safe.
Yeah, easy, innit? TT's quite easy.